This is the first video in a series of videos called OCT-driven EVH techniques. The videos are designed to demonstrate techniques to reduce stripping of adventitia, thermal injury, and intimal and wall damage. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to avoid stripping of the adventitia during the posterior pass. Always keep your conical tip 1 to 2 millimeters off the vein and avoid stripping that adventitia from the surface of the vein. If you come across a small vessel, cauterize and cut, and then move on and continue your dissection. You don't want to place the tip right on the vein, but you want to be a little bit lower, a couple millimeters lower, and include just a little bit of fat and all the adventitia. Here you can see where the conical tip is in relationship to the vein and all the adventitia intact. Careful dissection using this technique will reduce potential damage to the wall of the vein and the intima.